Look, that's for Penelope.
Daddy, look like her.
Whoa!
Hold on, Max. You gotta wait for Sissy.
Look at there.
Look at this, Max. You got all these candies
Max.
from Sissy.
Look, amulets. There's amulets, Mommy.
Here, Max, did you want to hang this? You hang it up on the tree?
Yeah.
Whoa, a pink bear.
That can be Hershey's mommy.
Yeah, it could be, can't it?
I opened it for Hershey.
Oh, I'm sure he thanks you.
Love you, buddy. Hershey. Here, Max, you open this blue one, Max, with me. Come on. You have to open it to the back. You know what I got? Noah! Hey, I don't want slippers.
Penelope.
Penelope, don't say stuff like that. It's sweet, Jennifer. We're thoughtful.
Why do I have more slippers, Daddy?
Well, that way you can have more than one.
So you're gonna choose
You can
from
switch
it.
out.
You can open it because it's a little one.
Penelope. Oh, you're so funny, little girl.
Ooh.
Who's it from?
From her, I think.
No, it's from my brother.
Oh, it's from Max?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
That was such a sweet present, Max.
You're so thoughtful, you two.
You made him open it, Penelope.
What is that?
Play-Doh!
Yeah.
This is all my stuff that I get to play with.
Yeah.
Max, you hand Mommy the wrapping paper so I can throw it, buddy?
Wait,
Right there, behind Sissy. On the other side, we're gonna have toys everywhere.
wait,
Huh.
wait.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Here, open this one.
Wait, buddy, you gotta wait. Let Sissy open it.
Penelope, don't yell,
Not
please.
yet, buddy. Oh, I
Just
have
hold
to
on, be
open
patient,
it.
Max.
Be patient. No, that's not yours.
No, you open all yours, Max.
Silly boy, look at his face. He's so Cambodian, Max.
That's yours,
No,
right?
that's Penelope's. You leave it there, buddy.
You can go hang it, Penelope.
Look at there. You know who that's from, Penelope? Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you, Dad. No,
You're welcome. You can only take your two.
No, that's Sissy's.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, honey.
Open it.
You got a bow on your pants, Penelope.
I don't want it off. No?
Max, wait for Sissy, buddy.
Penelope, you want to wear these Doras?
Who's that from, Penelope? Who's that from? Charles and Marilyn.
Right?
I didn't write that one down.
Look at there. What's
Those
that
were in
say?
gift bags.
Kansas girl. Are you a Kansas girl, Penelope?
Yeah. 'Cause I like it. Open these.
You like Kansas?
Max, wait. Max, wait for Sissy, buddy.
I'm gonna open this one by myself. Okay, since it's a big one.
You watch Sissy open it, because she watched you open yours. Max.
Wait.
Oh.
Poor buddy. Look at your nose, Max.
You need Kleenex, buddy?
Yeah.
Come here.
Oh.
What is that?
Persistent.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that.
I bet you'll have fun with that, huh? Penelope. You get done opening it and throw it on the floor. Who's that from?
I have a little bit left, so I'm gonna do the other ones by myself. Max, look. Okay, it's my turn.
Oops.
Who's this one? He has one. Max has one.
Yeah, that's for you, I think, Max. Bless you, buddy. What is that, Max?
What's this one?
What is what?
Truck.
I don't know. That's Penelope. She wrapped it. So you ask her.
No, what's this? This for Max.
Whoa, that looks awesome.
She wrapped it for Hershey.
Oh.
Max, this is for you, buddy.
Oh, okay.
Look at all the stuff you got.
I have a lot of stuff.
You do.
Max has a little bit.
No, Max has a lot too. Poor Daddy. I think this thing's about to run out of time.
Uh-oh.
Is that from Dot? Yeah, this is from Dot. Let's see what it is. Oh, they taped it. Wow, what kind of tape did they use? It's a Cinderella ornament.
Can you open it, please?
Whoa, what is it, Max?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man? Isn't that Buzz Lightyear?
Yeah.
Oh, you can go open your other presents and then
No,
we can
it's
open this later, okay?
Spider-Man, Buzz Lightyear, same thing.